International Criminal Court hit with sophisticated cyber attack. Yes, the ICC, the International Criminal, they had a sophisticated and targeted cybersecurity incident take place last week. In-house alert and response mechanisms swiftly discovered, confirmed, and contained the incident before any substantial damage was done to its network systems. A court-wide impact analysis is being carried out, and steps are already being taken to mitigate any effects of the incident, the ICC said. I did not see any further updated information, but I find this to be quite interesting in light of recent events. And this comes from, what day would this be? 1st of July. So we're talking about 6 days ago, because I'm always behind on these things. The ICC is an international tribunal based in The Hague, in the Netherlands. It was established in 2002 to prosecute individuals for war crimes, genocide, and crimes against humanity under international law. This is the second targeted attack on international court. In recent months, the ICC has been under increased scrutiny since it issued an arrest warrant for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu last November for alleged war crimes and crimes against humanity during the Gaza conflict, according to Reuters. It's also not the first time the judicial body has experienced a major cyber intrusion. In September 2023, the ICC announced attackers had breached its systems in an unprecedented act of espionage, calling it a serious attempt to undermine the court's mandate. After the days-long attack, ICC prosecutor Karim Khan also warned against future ICC cyber attacks and said more security measures needed to be put in place to protect the organization's data. To note, the ICC has never revealed what data may have been accessed in the 2023 attack, nor where the attack originated from, including if those details were ever discovered. Linked to the Russian invasion of Ukraine in March 2023, that year, the ICC issued an arrest warrant against Russian President Vladimir Putin on suspicion of illegally deporting children from Ukraine. Additionally, the Intergovernmental Tribunal was investigating possible Russian war atrocities in Georgia. In response, Russia, which does not recognize the court's jurisdiction, issued arrest warrants against senior ICC judges at the time. Last June, the ICC said it was also considering whether or not to investigate Russian cyber attacks carried out on the Ukrainian population as possible war crimes. In one of the first major cyber warfare operations, Russian hackers turned off the heating to over 600 apartment buildings in the Ukrainian city of, I can't pronounce that, Lviv, I think, Lviv, leaving residents in freezing temperatures for several days last January. And this spring, the Dutch Military Intelligence and Security Service said it had uncovered several operations conducted by Russian hackers in the Netherlands last year. Neither Russia or Israel are members of the court. So, this is quite interesting and timely.